your levels on God. Pushing to the limit cause I'm never gone for. Steady prayer, come music can put me on time. I can start swing when I wanna shake with a word. Times and times every day in my heart. Got down but I still be going in hard. Check distraction, stick on one side. Heaven is the goal, so I'm steady taking my shot. And it's I believe, hold the sense of life. That's when he does the magic of turning dark to light. He spread his love for all to step into his life. He reversed the logic of living first to die.
What up, chat? Let's go. Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. Welcome, welcome.
He saved my soul from getting defeated. Saved my body from getting deleted. Most of the times I couldn't believe it. Holy Spirit, I receive it. I don't deserve this, man, I'm not worth it. But he still loved me when I deserve it. He still gave his life on the cross. His loving is different cause I couldn't earn it. So this life I'm living is blessed. And you know that the wages of sin is death. But he put my spirit to rest. Cause the blood of the lamb has paid all my debt. I am free, ain't no stress. I believe that I am the best. Got the Holy Spirit on my chest. So man, I won't let the enemy rest.
Yo. What up, chat? Good morning. Morning, everybody. Morning, everybody. How you guys doing? Good to see you guys. What's the good word? What's the good word? All right, what's the good word, Richard Lewis? Talk to me, player. Talk to me. Give me some truth. Yeah, what's up, everyone? Welcome in. Happy Wednesday. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Who do we got here today? What up, Scott? Scotty C's in the building. Louis G is in the house. YOLO Traders here. Hey, man, YOLO Traders here. Yes, sir. Louis G, Jason C, my man. What up, the Don? What up, Sunboy Comedy? Hero of the day. Show me the cookie, man. Show me a cookie. What up, Scott? What up, Scott Blackwood? What up, Sunboy Comedy? Z Gamer is in the house. What up, Z Gamer? What up? Who we got here? George Poe in the building. George Poe, PM Magnifico. What up, Chala? Yo, what up, Andrew? What's good, bro? Oh, man. What up, Babadua Life? Babadua? LeGrand in the building. What up, LeGrand? What's up, Gotta Trade? Who else is here today, man? BuzzBlab's here today. I think I seen OGH here. Mr. Rob Trades is in the building. Who else, man? Who else? Who's got motion here today? Let's see. 3 Ants is in the house. Wags in the building. Davey P. DJ Scratches. What up, DJ Scratches? DT Gamer in the building. What up, DT Gamer? What up, AJ? It's good, Christian. There we go. Now everyone's coming out. C Melly in the building. What up, C Melly? Big 8-figure trader right there. Wall Street Sniper in the house. Here they come. Here they come. What's good? What's good? What's up, Nina? King for the win. I like that. King for the win. BuzzBlab. What's up, brother? Did I see you already? Yeah, I think I seen. What up, Gregski? Hey, you changed your name. He changed his name to Gregski. Let's go. Rapid Max in the house. What up, Rapid Max? What up, Wiz Buddha? There's OGH. What up, bro? What up, Flip? All right, let's go ahead and get the day started. Good morning, 4X Guru. What's good? What's good? As you guys settle in here, give the stream a like. Let me lower the music a little bit, and let's get started here. It's gonna be a good day. It's Wednesday. It is the what is today? Today's the 3rd here. So today is the 3rd day of July. It is Wednesday, and we're gonna get the day started. First, we're gonna pray, and then we are gonna start moving and grooving here. So let's go ahead and pray. Father in heaven, Lord, I come to you in the name of Jesus, Lord. I thank you for another opportunity to gather together, Lord. I thank you that I have this team, Lord. I thank you that this team has me, and I thank you've placed us here in such a perfect timing for a perfect reason. And we just thank you. It's all to glorify you, Lord. We thank you for giving us testimonies. We thank you for giving us visions, and then those visions being fulfilled, Lord, and then us being able to share our testimony and tell our story, because we know that in serving each other, Lord, we become free. We thank you that we're better together, Lord. So we give you all the glory. We pray that your spirit would bless this session here today, Lord. I pray for the hearts and the minds of those here in the chat that are going to come in and out of this live stream today, Lord, that you would give them hope, that you would give them a future, Lord. You promised it in your word in Jeremiah 29:11. So we thank you for that promise. We thank you for all your promises, and that we can rest in them, Lord, knowing that all is well and that we could just be still and know that you are God. So we thank you for blessing our path. I give you all the glory for it right here publicly in Jesus' name. Amen. Amen. Hallelujah. Praise the Lord. Let's get it. Y'all ready? Let me know if you guys are ready, because I'm ready. What a time to be alive. What a time to be alive. All right, let's go ahead and get into the day here. Again, it is the third day of July. It is Wednesday. It is another day, another opportunity for us to be patient, to be disciplined, to be professionals, right? We're on our way to 8 figs here, gang. We're on our way to 8 figs. It's going to take a lot, but don't let it take more than it needs to, right? Let's keep things simple, and let's run it up day in and day out like we've been doing. Not really changing much, but just staying in flow with the markets here and in tune with what we got going on. So let's go ahead and take a look. Today, again, is Wednesday. We got a big day ahead of us here today. It's got a bunch of red folder news coming in. So, again, Wednesday the 3rd, as you can see, coming in first. And coming in first at 8:15 is going to be ADP here today. So we got some ADP coming in, and second up later on is going to be at 8:30. Not too long after that, you're going to have unemployment claims, which was moved to today, which is normally tomorrow, but we're going to have that in the mix here today. And then later on, we have PMI coming in here, right? A couple little yellow folders, orange folders in between, and yeah, it should be a high volume day here today. I think it's already been a very high volume day. Shout out to anyone trading in the Asian and London session. Looks like there was some pretty good moves. I took one position pre-New York and closed it up, and now I'm just back here with you guys. So that is what we got in the headlines here today. Keep in mind, tomorrow's a major bank holiday, so there won't be a live stream tomorrow. So today, and then we got, Friday, which is going to be NFP. So that is the day ahead of us here today. That is the week ahead of us. Now let's go ahead and dive into the charts. Let's do a top-down analysis, and let's settle in here today. Hey, by the way, give the stream a like here, chat. Did I ask you guys that yet? Give the stream a like here today as you settle in, and let's lock in and let's do a nice quick top-down analysis here. So, taking a look here at the daily time frame. So as we're looking at the daily, let's keep in mind what's in front of us here today, right? So we know that the daily's been ranging quite a bit. So it's been pretty nasty on the daily, especially this week. It's been the last, 1, 2, 3, like 3 or 4 days. It's been pretty nasty, right? We know we have a resistance here. We have a pretty strong support right here. Above that resistance is obviously very clean range, right? And same thing below that support. So, the daily's been pretty choppy, not going to lie. Daily's been pretty choppy, and it's typical. Over experience, I've been able to get a read on this, and, it's no surprise that NFP is coming in and, we're just ranging, right? That's typically what we do pre-NFP, and no different here, this week. So we do see a major breakout here, though, attempting to happen, right? We did just push up and break through all these highs. We have a target up here at 23.59 here today on the daily time frame. We're very bullish, right? We've kind of been in a bit of this uptrend. We've tried to start moving up from 97 here, ran into some trouble, but now we're breaking the highs here and beginning to push up. So very bullish here based off the daily. Now let's go ahead and see where the 4-hour is at currently. So we know that this 4-hour candle, you're going to hear me talk a lot about this. We know that this 4-hour candle is about midway through, right? So this candle here started at 5 a.m. Eastern, which was 2 hours ago, right? Right now it's 7 a.m. We're dead smack in the middle of it, and it's going to close at 9 a.m. So let me just do that, right? So the first 2 hours, what have we done, right? Well, we pushed up, we broke the highs, we came back down, we made a bottom wick, and now we're just still floating around bullish, right? So the question is, have we tapped the target, or are we on our way to target today, right? So the last 2 days, when we got to the desk here at 7 a.m., the 4-hour candle had tapped into its target already, right? Therefore, we were looking for potential opportunities to catch something like the fade, or some type of move back down in hopes for the pullback, right? Now today is a little different, because today, 2 hours in, we broke the highs earlier, but we still have clean range, right? We still got clean range coming up towards 68 here today. So if you re-break that high, very high chance you will continue up here on the 4-hour chart. Now, one thing we can say is that we've been pushing up for quite some time. So I am open to potential entries or setups after breaking that low right there, but we're gonna have to go see what that looks like. So let's go ahead. So look, every single day we approach the desk is gonna be a little bit unique, right? Because if this candle, right, if we got to the desk and this was the previous candle and this was the current candle, I wouldn't be looking for sells on the break of that low. Why? Because we're just getting started off of a support. But if we look at it where we're at here, we're a bit overextended, and that's the only reason I'd be looking to take sells on the break of these lows here. Not on the break of them, but after breaking them and closures and all that good stuff. But I am mainly bullish here today, but because we are a bit overextended, I am still down for opportunities to take sells on the break of those lows there. So keep that in mind about the 4-hour candle here. And let's move on and let's go down to the 1-hour time frame to see how we could potentially take some buys here, right? So you have a support here on the let me fix that. You have a support here on the 1-hour time frame. Let me make it bigger for you guys. So you've created support. You've pushed up for quite a bit here throughout the Asian and the London session. You've created support, right? There is no resistance here on the 1-hour time frame yet. You've got very clean range moving up to, I would say, 53 here, right? So very, very clean range moving up towards 53. 30-minute broke the lows here, which is interesting. 7:12 a.m. 15-minute has a bit of a resistance at this point and a support, I would say, here. So that is that's the range we got here. So 30-minute is a bit choppy. 1 hour, there's not much price action. 15-minute, we do have somewhat of a range, right? So let's keep in mind this candle also closed in a bottom wick here too. But I do like buys above 48 here. You have a very, very clean range moving up towards 53, which is about 58 pips. So that's what I'm going to be looking at here for buys. It looks like we've attempted to run up here, but just unable to really push, right? It's all clean range here too. So I'm not sure what's holding price up. That's why I'm going down to the 15, and I'm going to respect this resistance right here. So let's go take a look at that 4-hour low again. Let's mark that off. It's right here. Boom, boom. Okay, cool. So this is what I got going on here today. So gonna look for potential buys above the 15-minute resistance above 23.48. So buys above 48 here. Sells are not going to be below 45 for me. If anything, I'm going to look for some sort of a fake out, right, for price to continue up. Meaning, if we can get a candle to close like this, all right, boom, like that, and then the next candle closes back in the range, then I'll be open to taking more buys from down here. And then, by the time we get up here, you get closures, and then you may have runners here today if we can get, buys from down here a little bit. So that's what I'll look for. And then clean sells below 43 here. So if we do close below, that's most likely us breaking through the current 4-hour wick, right? That's your 4-hour low right here. If you do get a closure below, you're most likely going to take that low out, right? Boom, and then pull back, leave a wick, and then that's going to be where I'm going to look for sells here today. And we should come down, fill that wick, and then we've got more room coming down there. So that is the day for me. Pretty simple day here. Just got to be patient right now. Don't want to jump the gun on buys. Don't want to jump the gun on sells. You just want to be very patient here today. Got high level news coming in. You don't want to be on the wrong end of this, right? By just being jumpy and stupid and acting like a novice trader here. So that's it, man. That's the day for me. We got price surrounded. Let's wait, and once it makes a move, we'll stick them up. It's a stick up. Cool. Any questions? Who's got questions? Let's hear some good questions today. Clone. All right, sweet. Boom. So that is that's the vibe here for me as of 7:15 a.m. Eastern. Cool. You guys alive? Hello. Anybody hear me? Stephen B is in the house. What up, Stephen B? I'm sorry, was I muted this whole time? Let me redo the whole analysis. You guys should have said, hey, Nick, can you repeat that? Yes. Yes, AB Mike. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. I have blown account 33 accounts. When does it end? It ends when you end the BS. When you start to figure out why you're blowing those accounts instead of just grabbing your debit card and purchasing a new one once that max daily drawdowns hit, if you would spend some time, like maybe the rest of the day, and think, what am I doing wrong? 33 accounts blown. There's got to be something I'm doing off. And then you got to figure that out, you know, and once you figure that out, that will typically be when it comes to an end. Yep. Oh my God, C Melly. See, that's why I like you, man. I need guys like you in my life. Hey, Zoomers, I really do apologize. Damn. Sorry, guys. Still nothing on the account. Rose and Buzz, just give it like one more, but you'll have it today. TK, I think TK was busy. He had to travel yesterday, so he's the one that sets everything up. So you'll get it today. Yeah, for whoever won whoever won the random giveaway. Hey, I'm thinking of a number between 1 and 1,000. Who wants to win 25K? Yeah, don't worry, it's coming. Blame TK, man. Don't blame me. Put all the blame on TK. I'm just kidding. It's my job. My job to make sure TK gets it done. Yeah, man. So how y'all doing? You guys ate today or what? How'd you guys do? Yeah, I took a sell here, right here at I think it was like 5 or 5:15. Closed out right there. Yeah, it was about, I think it was like 27 pips or something. Yeah, like 27 pips. Yeah, be very careful on these buys here, chat. Right? Be very careful on these buys. I actually did want to take buys, but this candle, where was it? Where was it? It was this candle. This candle like didn't close above or whatever it was. Took the sell too. Yeah, it was a quick sell, honestly. I was distracted anyway. I was doing a Bible study and I was up a good amount and I literally closed like perfect timing. Yeah. Yeah, for no reason either, just so I didn't have to be thinking about it while I was doing some of my morning routine. That 200K account I have now is live, like fully funded, so you know, $1,500. I mean, that's good enough for me. Got a little Bible study going before the chat. Okay, Mr. Cooper. See? What up, Muddin? It's good, Muddin. Caught buys on GJ. What's up, Ben? Good morning, Tommy Mendoza. Tommy Mendoza in the house. Yeah, nice job, Ben. Catching pips on GJ. Oh, what's this? The Eagle 4000 gave us sell on gold. Oh, yeah, we're testing that out. Give us a little bit. We're testing. Hey, Scott, how you doing, man? Can you talk to us about your second trade yesterday and how you still thought fade even? Yeah. Oh, yeah. So yesterday we took this trade, where is it? Off the 15-minute time frame. Believe it was right here. So yeah, so yesterday we had a range here, man. So remember, we caught buys from down here, right? So we caught these buys, and then basically price came up here, and we were looking for an opportunity to participate in this fade right here, but you know, it just didn't line up. So that's another thing too, gang. Like, we're not calling tops and bottoms. I really don't want you guys to get confused and try and think that we're like trying to call the top here, right? Or call the bottom. So like, even when we know, or not know, but have a good read that it's going to be the top, we still need things to line up, right? So in this case, things didn't line up, so therefore didn't touch this move down here. But as you see, the move came down, right? The move came down, and it tapped this candle, right? Tapped into target, which was basically like these ranges right here. If you look left, there's more ranges here. So then the next candle tapped into that target again, right? And look how it closed. Very weak bearish, right? Now here's where the scientific stuff goes down, right? So you take a look at the range and you go, okay, 15-minute candle closed below. I want to think about the newbie trader right now and the guy who's just chasing volume. And there's a lot of them, trust me. We all know that most people don't make money trading, right? And those most people are about to enter into the markets probably again, right? For like the 100th time that day. So as this candle closed below, there's clean traffic to the left, right? Which I would say, I would agree with, right? And I would say, hey, last year, even though we closed at the top of the range, therefore we should come down and fill it, right? And then sometimes we would get faked out. This year, I notice one hit, two hit, closure, obvious fake out. So we go over here, we look left, and we say, okay, maybe we can anticipate this candle closing back in the range here. I didn't know if it would close all the way up here like it did. I just thought maybe we can get a fake out. I'll get my entry down here, and then the next candle will kind of take us up, right? And that's exactly what happened, right? So I waited for this wick to this candle to push down, wick down, kept my stop super tight. So this is an entry I'm working on currently where we're gonna have very tight stops. So my trade was like literally like this, 13 pip stops, I believe it was. So 13, like right around here. And then look at this. This was a 26 pip, almost a 2-to-1 right here, right? So, you know, maybe we could play around with RR and stuff like that. These are still a little risky, but my ideas are working. You know, they're playing out based off of things I've seen in the past. And, you know, these three wicks here have a lot to do with it, right? This one, and then this one. You know, the job of tapping into this support level was done by this candle. Right? Notice how the rest of them attempted to go down, but they couldn't because target was already tapped by that wick right there. So very, very experienced like ideas coming in here. I don't want to give you too much and have it confuse you, but just keep an eye on it, right? Keep an eye on it from time to time. You'll see me get a little bit better entries and all that good stuff. Push it. Gotta trade's the best mod. Buy or sell? I don't know. You tell me. What minutes are you using? I'm using all of them. So I'm using the daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute, and 15 minute. So daily and 4 hour is what I use. So 4 hour and daily is what I use for direction. Direction. Right? 1 hour, 30 minute, right? 15 minute is what I use for entry and setup. Yeah, my bad. My bad. Sloppy. Just when the buys looked like they were really about to play out here, 4-hour candle is about to break its own low. This is great. This is great. Is there a possibility I could have your journal? Of course. All you have to do is type an exclamation point followed by the word journal, and the link will pop up right here in the chat for you. Energy. We'll check. All right, let's check charts for stream here too. Waiting on the golf vlog. Hey yo. The sell before was just an onion play. Yeah, simple like 30-minute onion play. I wanted to catch like maybe the fade on the break of that low there, but it wasn't my trading time, right? So I shouldn't even have been in that sell. I just happened to see it and take it, but yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I would have liked to get it from there, but I was a little too late. Let's see. Yeah, it was just a simple onion play, you know, like 4-hour had juiced up quite a bit. This 4-hour was starting to pull back, and you got this, so you got a big run up, right? You got a weak candle. When we talk about the signs and the clues, right? This is a clue right here that if you break the low, right, after breaking the high on this guy, then you should push down, right? I was thinking that we could maybe fill that wick. But like I said, I just got out of that position just because I was up a good amount fairly quickly in that trade, and I was doing some other stuff in the morning, so I didn't want to focus on the chart too much. Yeah, but simple onion play. I would have liked it to run, but I'm glad I closed when I did. I didn't close for any technical reason at all. I just closed because I didn't want to be paying attention to it. Yeah. Can you share your idea of the law of attraction? Yeah, but there's also, I think there's better. I think you can go to the book Hung by the Tongue, and the tongue, a creative force, and yeah, start there. And you know, we all know that the word, right? Whatever we speak, we'll get. Whatever we think, we'll get, right? So it's all biblical, right? And a lot of this stuff is proven, right? But when you back it up with God's word, it's even more powerful. So, you know, we can do these things by visualizing and, you know, affirmations and things like that. But man, when you put God's word behind it, takes on a life. I like to journal. You know, I like to journal. I like to write my future out. The word says like cast it in stone, right? Like make it plain, make the vision plain, cast it in stone, write it down. So I like to do that, and I feel like I've stacked up books for the last like 4 years, and pretty much everything I wrote in them books have come to reality, right? So it's real. You know, it's not like it's some hocus pocus stuff. Like it's the real deal. But yeah, I would try journaling. Journaling's awesome. Let's see. Why am I sweating when I press buy or sell? You might be over risking, so you might want to lower your lot size. Why didn't you wait for the lows to be broken there to trigger sellers in before buy? Wait, Oh, on yesterday's trade? Yesterday's trade, right, Z Gamer? Over here? Yeah. So these lows, right? I think you're talking about. If you are talking about these ones, so I didn't really expect those lows to break, right? Just because we've already tapped so many times. There was a support right here as well that we already hit. 30-minute was just boom, 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 right? Basically three strikes, you're out. And yeah, I wasn't really necessarily looking for that low to break where I would be in certain other cases. So, hey, look, we closed, so we never closed below 43 here. We did close below 45, but this is where I want to see if we could potentially get a fake out here, right? So if we can get a fake out, meaning candle close back in the range, I'll be open to taking my buys to target this wick fill. And then if we do close back above there, then we will should have pretty good runners here. But let's see what happens. We're, starting to get closer and closer here to ADP, but yeah. Had there been no rejection wicks, okay, the 2 wicks prior to the closure below, would you have looked for sells below on the second trade? I don't think so. I'm really not into taking those overextended ones anymore. They just don't do anything for me. And I just can't get Raja's voice out of my head, right? And by looking at my data last year and studying the breakouts that we took losses on, we went over this in, I think, the last boot camp, right? Where we went over a lot of the trades that we took, in that quarter or whatever. And one thing I noticed is that when the breakout worked, it worked well, but when it didn't, it was typically overextended. So at that point, those sells were a bit overextended for me, right? To go and take it off like a 15-minute time frame as well, just really wasn't, that hot. Yeah, so probably not. I don't think I would have been interested. Yeah, good questions. Let's go. W. What's up, AB Mike? So yeah, the way I used to kind of see things was, hey, if we were overextended, it was cool as long as we were breaking out and we were like lower in the range. I mean, I'm sorry, like let's say it was a buy, right? So let's just draw this out. Let's say it was a buy, and when we talk about overextended, we mean that you got like a support here, right? And then we're talking about this, right? So if price is overextended, this is what we mean by that. So candles have pushed up, and now there's an opportunity for a breakout to take a buy up here. But remember what we said yesterday, right? When you take a buy, you want to take a buy as close as you can to support or the zone, right? So this is where your support is. There's not any support anywhere near here. So a lot of times what's going to happen is you'll see a fake out happen here. Even if price still wants to move bullish, right? You'll still see somewhat of a fake out go down, and then price will, do its thing like this, and then come back up, and then it'll close back above the range. And when this happens, by the way, I used to let this resistance keep me out and adjust it. I don't really do that anymore during high times of volume, so I'll ignore that, understanding that we were overextended, we came down, we create a new support. And now we're back above, and that's where I'll take my buys, right? Because we're near a support now. So yeah, that's what we talk about overextended. And yeah, and then if you have ideas based off the higher time frame, when you see this, that there's a lot of traders getting in, right? So that's when we're kind of catching the fade. So we're actually catching it more so on this candle here, as price begins to pump up like this. Right, and then catching that entry on the break of the low. So we've advanced excuse me, in that idea as to those overextended breakouts. Yep. Yeah. You'll see it. Keep an eye out for it. You'll start to notice it. So what we're waiting for, what I'm trying to see is, are we going to fake out here, right? If we don't fake out here and then we get a closure below, you should be good to push down. 27 pips from today. Yeah, it's from right here. That's true, Scott. That's true. Yep. Just gathering data, man. That's all I do. I win some, I lose some, but I always gather data. Hey, Nick. Hello. What advice would you give that changed your trading journal forever? So journaling was like the last thing that I wanted to do. I didn't feel like I needed to do that. I felt like I had it all up in my head, that I could remember it and it would be okay. And, you know, I would look at all the things that it takes to become a successful trader. But the journaling, I'll just, you know I don't need that one, right? I don't need that one. So I kept struggling. And here I am, already a winner, already an athlete. I know that winners are trackers. I know that people who succeed track data, like they track everything that they do, because I've done that in all my other areas of life. But for some reason in trading, I was just trying to be lazy, right? So yeah, was losing, and then you guys hear me talk about it in my the Playbook 2.0 video, how I started listening to other traders with different mentality, and they were talking about collecting data, and it finally hit me that, you know what, maybe I should be collecting data. And once I did, I was able to find my flaws, I was able to find my strengths, my weaknesses, and within that I was able to tighten up, you know, and toughen up. And I feel like that was one of the missing pieces that really was holding me back from being consistent. Yeah, so journal those traits. Don't be lazy like I was. Is my strategy the same as Don's? I don't know. To be honest, I have no idea, because I don't know. I haven't really paid attention to how Don's been trading for over a year now. So I have, to be honest, no clue. Running for sell? Not yet. Not for me. Not yet. We're ranging. Ranging. Got a trade. How you doing, sir? Skirt. Okay. Rose and Buds, and yeah, I think you guys, your accounts have been submitted, and Lights Fire. Yeah, you guys are good. So just you could expect the account a little bit later. There he is. Holy TK. Good to hear that. Got a trade. Miss you, man. Hope everything's well. Did you go to that Yankee game yet? Oh yeah, yeah, exactly. So I'm not too sure. You know, I know when I was watching Don, he was trading very similar to this. Obviously I learned a lot from him, but I'm not too sure how he's trading today. I know he's trading a little bit differently. I'm sure he's figured out some new clues for himself, and he's doing awesome. But yeah, and I've also done the same. You know, I've figured out new clues and new details for myself, and yeah, that's the work. You know what I mean? It's the journey of a trader. Oh, you guys went? Okay, cool. Gotcha. I guess John didn't meet up with you, huh? Yeah, guys, by the way, Top One, just give us a little bit more time with that link. We're trying to get everything situated here so we can get you guys the the link so that way you guys can all get 50% off any top 1 accounts, and then you can also enter into the free tryout. So for those of you that don't know, we're doing a time to eat trading competition, or I should say time to eat trading tournament, and there's going to be 32 competitors, and the winners, the top 4 winners, the number 1 seed's going to get a 200K account, the number 2 seed's going to get a 100K account, and then the number 3 and 4 are going to get 25K accounts. And yeah, there's going to be a link here today or tomorrow with it's an open tryout link. So all you have to do is get that account, sign up for it. It'll be a 100K account. Top 1 will email you the password and the username and all that, and those accounts will be active on Monday. So if you buy them today or tomorrow or over the weekend, you can't trade them yet because Monday is when we begin the tryout. So we're gonna have everyone enter into the tryout, everyone trade the best they can, right, over the next week. So I think that's from the 8th all the way till whatever the end of the week is. That'll be the tryout week, and then the top 32 from those tryouts will move on and they will enter the competition. So it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. It's kind of gonna be like the March Madness in a way, only it's gonna be like July Madness. Who's ready to compete? Have some friendly competition. Who's ready? Yeah, it's going to be an opportunity for you guys to just play your game, right? So we're going to get rid of the target profits so you guys don't hit like top 1's target profit and the account closes. So there won't be a profit target, but we are going to keep the max daily drawdown and the daily drawdown on. So those are going to be rules in the game, and if you breach the account, you're out, and your opponent will be notified right away so that they don't have to take any more trades, and we'll let them know you just advanced into the next round. So you got to be on your toes, man. Am I going to pair up the 32? Well, the cool part about it is we'll have the rankings. So we'll have rankings, right? Because top 1's going to set up a leaderboard because they obviously have all the results on everyone's account. So we're going to pop a leaderboard up, and I'm either going to throw all 32 names in a hat and shake them up and team them up like that, or we can match you up, with whatever seed you are, right? So if you're the number 1 seed or the number 5 seed, and we can kind of make it a little bit more like the pros do it. How did I learn from Raja? He traded a little different. Yeah, I learned from him. I got my foundation from him, and then I have my own brain. You know what I mean? So I do my own thinking, and sometimes like things that he does may not be the same as me, and sometimes some things that I do may not be the same as him. We all kind of, all I'm here to do is give you guys a foundation, right? A foundation. You're never going to be able to trade exactly like me and make every little tick that I make or close when I close, right? It's just, I want to give you guys a foundation of a very simplified trading system, and that's what Raja did for me, and then I just kind of took it and ran with it. Will I still be live streaming? Of course. For what? Oh, tomorrow? What's up, Susanna? If I wasn't going on vacation, I would have entered. Oh, nice. Vacay. Hey, you could still, if you want, you could still enter, and you get, whenever you feel like it, a 50% discount with top 1. So even if you guys aren't planning on participating and playing, if you sign up and get a free account, you get 50% off any challenge with top 1. There's no rules, AB Mike. There's no rules outside of the breaching of the drawdown. You guys don't have to journal them. I mean, I would recommend journaling all your trades, but you don't have to, and you can't make anything up because we got all the info, right, on the back end with top 1. So we'll be able to see accounts and see. I want you guys to trade your game. Like, some of you guys don't even trade the way I do. That's fine. Keep trading the way you do. We want you to trade to the best of your ability. Yeah, by the way, gang, we're going to be doing a 2-day webinar on July 27th. So we got the dates. The sign up link is up on the TT website. You guys can go there and register. It's going to be very similar to our 3-day boot camp. Only this time it's just going to be just straight technical analysis. We're going to be covering a lot of like what we've been doing over the past couple months and what's really kind of significantly improved not only the amount of trades we've taken but the quality of trades that we've taken. We're going to be going all over that in this this 2-day webinar on the 27th and the 28th. So just go hit up the TT website and you can sign up for it. Don't worry, it's unlimited seats and whoever wants to come can come. I think we're going to start off very basic. I'm going to run through it super quick. Like whoever's been to like any of my boot camps, you'll see me kind of run from the basics to a little bit more advanced. This one I'm going to very briefly sweep through those basics, and I want to get right to what's what's been working for us over the past couple months here and talk a lot about that stuff. We're also going to go over you're going to see all the data I've collected, and you're going to do this data analysis with me as well. I'm going to walk you through it, and this is something, what you see me do, I want you guys to say, hey, I could do that, right? I should do that. I should study my trades like he studies his trades. Maybe that's why he's never emotional or nervous or anxious while he's in his trades. Maybe that's why he does good trading, right? You really want to study these trades. Going back to journaling, it's like that was a big missing piece for me, so we're gonna observe that data together, especially the data on the fade, and we're gonna talk the talk, man. We're gonna have a nice fireside chat. Yeah, I'm excited. It's gonna be awesome. We're going to talk a lot about some things that I've learned from this 8-figure trader as well that I haven't really mentioned too much. Some things that I think will really help some of you serious traders out. So what I like about the webinars and the boot camp is that, here we have 1,000 people, 1,200, whatever the number is, right? But in the boot camp, it's nice and small, man. So we could really get nitty gritty, right? It's 100, 200, I think maybe 300 people were at the last one. So it's a lot smaller. It's a lot more personal and a little bit more in depth. And yeah, I like doing them. More advanced in the playbook 2.0. Yes. Oh yeah. Yeah. We're going to be talking about a lot of things that I don't have time to speak on the live stream. But you see me implementing it, right? You see me doing it. I'll touch on things here and there, but we really need to sit down and have a conversation. Where's the tournament? The sign up link it'll be available probably today or tomorrow. Yeah, my bad. I thought they were going to have the sign up link ready from Tuesday, but they're figuring it out. I'll let you guys know when you can sign up for the competition. It should be today, if not tomorrow. Yeah, we got word from them last night that they were just tying it up pretty much. Will the webinar be recorded? Yeah, the webinar is going to be recorded, so whether you guys can make it or not, or let's say you guys can only watch an hour, they're probably going to go for like 2.5 hours each day. But let's say you can't make the full thing or you can't make it, you'll as long as you register and leave your email, you'll have that recording emailed to you pretty much that weekend. Did you set up a business or LLC? Of course, absolutely. How to go about your taxes? You hire a good accountant and you give him whatever money he asks. Right, TK? And that's it. Me no speak English. Would the daily be bullish because it broke through the wick areas, even though previous? Yeah, exactly. We're a little bit more bullish now on the daily, in terms of breaking through those wicks, but we're also running into some choppy area here, right? So let's see how we react here. We can go either way, but all we know is that we've got price surrounded. Right, we've got price surrounded. It's not going to be able to move without us knowing about it. And if our signal shows up for entry, then we'll be in there. If it doesn't, then we'll just hang tight. We'll just hang out, chill, and learn, and wait for that golden opportunity. Will I still be live streaming when the tournament's taking place? Of course, yeah. Yeah, because we can't really put a camera on all you guys, you know? That's going to be cool. One day, maybe we will get there. You know, I'm about to be like the Dana White of this, like, you know, FX Futures fighting competition tournament thingy majiggy here. About to turn this into like $1 billion corporation. Start getting sponsors. Start getting sponsorship deals from Red Bull. Nah, just kidding. Definitely ain't taking no sponsorship deals from Monster. I'll tell you that. I don't give a damn how much money they're offering. What broker do I recommend for futures? I don't recommend any brokers. I am using Tradovate. So those are the ones that I'm using, but you know, you're free to kind of do your research and fill it all out. Hey, can we get some likes here, Mr. 1114253? Those numbers just, I don't know, man. They make me sad. They make me sad. And I don't want to be sad, man. I want to be happy. Yeah, if you guys can give the stream a like, that would be great. How much is the webinar? $70. $70. Same thing as last time. Brother Nick. Oh, the brother Nick is currently using Tradovate. Okay, Nightbot. The brother Nick. Do I only trade New York session? I trade a little Asian session here and there. Yeah, New York session. So my session will typically go from 7 a.m., like 6 a.m. to about like noon. And then after that, I just stop looking for trades. And that's only if I'm around, right? Sometimes I'm off the desk by like 10:30, 11 a.m. and I'm gone. But if I'm on the desk and I'm hanging out here and doing some work here, I'll be there. I'll be looking. Blaine Green. Where is Green? Hey, yo, Green. Gino, what's up, brother? How you doing, man? Hope your family's doing well and you are as well. The boot camp, well, the webinar is going to be at, I think 8:30 or 8 a.m. I think we're going to do it at 8:30. Give all you guys give all the Eastern time zone people some time to wake up. But yeah, I think we're going to start that at 8:30 a.m. Eastern. So basically 40 minutes from right now. And that's going to be on the 27th. And we're also going to bring some TT traders up that weekend and have them share a little bit of their heart with you and some of the things that's been working for them, and you know, give you guys a little bit more than just me, right? Because it's one thing sometimes it's very easy to look at the speaker and think, well, you know, of course he can do that, or of course, you know, it works for him. But to see some of the homegrown traders right here from TTE, I think, and hear them speak, I think will build a lot of belief in you, because you know they're just, and so am I, by the way, but they're just traders just like you. Why not London? Because I'm sleeping. Yeah, I sleep during that time. Oh yeah, let's take a look at charts for the stream. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at charts for stream real quick. By the way, if you're not in our free Discord, what the heck are you doing? No, I'm just kidding. If you're not in our free Discord, you can join the Discord. You got 8,000 day traders in here that all are pretty damn good. You know, at least they're getting really good. Yeah. Yeah, I'm very impressed with the TTE squad here, man. Seriously. You guys are freaking killing it. Yeah, I just don't see it out there, you know. People just taking the same trades, right? Getting the same read on price. Like, everyone's so dialed in, man. Like, I take a trade, I go to the Discord, everyone, you know, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 people taking the same exact trades, posting them in in the Discord. So it's pretty dope. All right, let's take a look at this. Chala, my man, took a, what is this? A 15-minute breakout. This is on gold. 15-minute breakout. Break of the highs. Price push down. Yeah. Yeah. Remember I told you, Chala, I was looking at a buy here too? I forget. There was something off. I forget what it was. But yeah, not a bad idea here. You know, this was a breakout. There was clean traffic to the left. I just think price is ranging today, pre-ADP. And that's why that didn't work out. Otherwise, it was a good playbook setup, bro. Yeah, I wouldn't think too much about this one. The only thing I would consider is that there's a big move, clean traffic to the left, but it's pre-ADP, right? Pre-big red folder news, and typically the move will not happen at that time. So just keep that in mind for next time if there's like NFP or CPI or bigger red folder news here, and maybe avoid that one next time and just say, hey, if it drives, it drives, right? But good read, breakout, simple trade, break of previous candle highs. I like it. You know, all good, bro. All good. Let's take a look at this one here. All right. This is from AJ, 30-minute fake out. It's a loss here on gold. All right, man. See, now that I said show some losers, man, you guys are showing some losers here, huh? So, okay, let's take a look. So, previous daily candle closed bear. Previous 4 hour was bull. All right. 1, 2, 3. Rejection on the 4 hour. Okay. Oh, yes. This is where I took my trade, too. Yeah. So rejection on the 4 hour. This was a fake out. Took the sells. Break of the current lows at. Oh wait, this is at 2 a.m. Oh, okay. And it's not the same trade. Anticipated price to move down. What could I have done better? 4 hour close bullish. So that may have been what the problem was. You may have gotten your bottom wick here, and then boom, 4 hour shoots up. So. Yeah, so you know, like typically we'd be waiting for range 2s here on the breakout right down here. So to take to start taking sells up here, you have to just understand that that's going to be a bit risky, right? When it comes to going against a 4 hour like that. So yeah, I don't know. It's not a bad trade. You had clean traffic coming down. You did kind of close back in the range, but I think the 4 hour was just against you here. Yeah, I don't think this is a bad trade though. Yeah, I don't think it's a bad trade at all. Did you get like wicked in and that's it? Is that what happened here? Those are the worst. Yeah, this was 30-minute time frame. What was this? This was something on the 15, or was it just a wick? What time was this? This was 2 a.m. Eastern. Yeah. Yep. You see that rejection there? That's a very weak rejection candle. This is a lot of times where you're going to be able to catch the fade off of candles like this. So I think the 15-minute kind of spilt the beans a little bit and showed you that price didn't want to go down. Right? So that's the only clue, I think. Other than that, if you're just looking at the 30, it looks like a good trade. If you come down and peek at the 15, then you could see there's some exhaustion there, and you know that's why price probably decided to move back up. Yeah, good trade though, good idea, especially off the 30-minute time frame. You had this candle, right, and then this closure, so I don't think it was a bad trade at all. Oh, look at this. Aha! Previous 15 close with the wick rejection body. Maybe this also was the reason. Bingo, brother. Great job, man. Great job, AJ. Way to spot that. You had it before me. I didn't even see this. Good job, bro. Yeah, I think that was your issue. Yep. All right, let's take a look at NASA FX. So it looks like this was a sell position taken on the break or the open of the candle, it looks like. And partials. Very good. Very good trade. 15-minute fake out post news from yesterday. Gotcha. Okay. Cool, man. Good job. All right, let's see what this is. 15-minute fake out during the London session. Yeah, man. Price did not want to move down there for you guys in London, huh? Yeah. I think you had a strong bullish candle here. Yeah, your daily just wanted to blast up today. So yeah, I think that bullish candle kind of caused a bit of confusion on the lower time frames. You're also looking at a 15-minute time frame here. So maybe wait on the 30 next time, and I think that 30 probably closed bullish. Yeah, this was there in London, huh? Interesting. Reading the higher time frame and lower time frames gave me this analysis. Let's see. Scalping, yes, a little bit. Let's see here. Okay, so 15-minute time frame, gold breaking above, awesome. Yeah, what time was that? What time was that at? This had to be during Asian, right? Asian or London? Cool. Yeah, I don't know. I don't see the answer. Let's take a look at this one here. What time is it? 8:01. So it's 8:01. You got NY open here. So look at this. You did get the fake out. So you did get a fake out here. Price potentially closed back above the range. You do need a bottom wick, but the issue now becomes news. Right? News at 8:15. So I'm not going to touch this buy or anything here until ADP comes out. We're stuck in this range, and whatever happens from now to 8:15 is none of my business. What's the coupon code? What coupon code? All I'm happy about is that I anticipated a potential fake out, and it happened. That's it. That doesn't mean I need to take a trade. That doesn't mean I need to jump into a buy. All right, we got ADP right here, man. Smarten up. I'm going to wait till 8:35. Yeah, smart move. AB Mike. Smart move. The webinar, does it have limited seats? And when will be the last day to sign up? The webinar, I could lie to you like every other guru out there and say, yes, there's limited seats only, limited time only. But I'm not going to do that. There's unlimited seats, and you'll be able to purchase up until the night before. Yeah, the day or the night before. Hey, Zach. Send me some. Let me hold $1 or something, bro. Let me hold something, man. Accidentally made 3K. Just tripped, skipped, fell, just boom. Just landed in a pile of 3K. Hook a brother up, man. Hold me down with something, man. Let me hold something. Let me hold something. Oh yeah, let me review this trade. Sorry, man. He's like, yo, you opened mine. Okay, let's see. So we got the fade for 4-hour candle closed, tapped this target. 1-hour candle got no bottom wick. Place sell stop on the 30-minute lows. Very good. Got lucky. Stop loss is about to be hit. Got 16 pips and exit pre-London. Okay, cool. Nice, man. So this is your trade here, and put stops up here. Very good. And you survived by 1 or 2 pips. Hey, if you would have got tapped out, I would have just called you a scam, man. But yeah, great trade. You didn't get tapped out, so amazing. You're an amazing trader, bro. Yeah, good idea. You know, this thing didn't fade, right? The fade wasn't fading there earlier today. So I was in that sell too, but I closed, you know, I think it was like 20-something pips, and the fade just was not fading. So yeah, we'll see. Maybe it'll fade during ADP today. The fade ain't faded. Which range is better, the 15 or the 30? Right now, the 15's giving us more of like actual market structure, and this is probably the market structure you're gonna remain in until 8:15 here today. And then once 8:15 comes around, this range is not gonna mean anything anymore. It's gonna push through this area. I don't know if it's gonna go up or down, but either way, we got pretty clean range both down and up here today. So I don't care which way it goes, whatever way it wants to, I'll follow suit. What up, Diego? Yo, Zach, bro. I'm still waiting for you to hit me with that $1, bro. Am I late? I don't know. Are you? I don't believe in late. I think you're right on time, man. Yeah, word, Alex J. Yo, Zach, accidentally send me like 1K. Come on, man. You got 3. Hook me up. Yeah, if you hit stop loss, you're a scam, bro. We knew he's not a good trader. You guys are funny. You really are, chat. I get nipped out at stops. Not only am I upset just being because no one likes that, but then you guys like, yeah, it's always a losing trade. It's always a losing trade. But when I survive the stop loss, man, you guys, you're a genius, bro. Oh my, you're a scientist. Ah, man. How far back do you use check for support and resistance? If you look back far enough, I feel like there's never a clean range. Exactly, there's not, Neo. So I try and pay attention to the fresh price action right in front of me. So here and there, I'll go back and look, but I don't want to make it too complicated. A lot of times, we will basically create this analysis paralysis by looking back too far. If you look back too far, it's going to scare you out of every single trade. Yeah. Hey, yo, Zach. Thank you, bro. Coffee's paid for, baby. You're the man. He's a man of his word. Yeah, by the way, yeah, that's true, AV Mike. You know, you guys can be open with your losses. Like, you can be open with your struggles. And when you are, you'll realize that you're not the only one struggling, right? You're not the only one. You think, you know, it's very, and this is why it's very hard to pay attention to people on the internet unless they're actually, like, showing you what they're doing, right? Like a live streamer or someone who's going to stream live for you, that's amazing, man. Like for someone to open up and really give you what's inside of their head and show you everything is, I mean, what a time to be alive, right? I used it to my advantage. A lot of you guys are using it to your advantage. But don't think everything is all, you know, sunshine and rainbows, you know, and we show you that it's not. But the problem is a lot of other traders don't. So you'll see these usernames or people in the YouTube or people in the Discord or on Instagram or in Telegram, and they may sound like they know what they're doing, right? And they're probably really struggling. And because you're struggling and no one's saying, hey, it's okay, I'm struggling too, you think that you're the only one that sucks, right? And that's just not the case. So it's okay to share your struggles. As a trader, you're going to roll through it, right? Look, we are all taught, you know, you make higher highs and higher lows in the game, right? Same thing in life, same thing in your trading career, same thing in your P&L, right? You're going to create these higher highs and higher lows, and, you know, you're going to do that in money. You're going to do that in your, just in life in general, right? So embrace the lows, understand that the lows are just there to make a new high, create support, and you will be good to go. All is well. Right, you gotta come with. If you don't have that perspective, though, you may break lows and shift structure. Right, if you can't handle these things, right, you may go off and start going down a deep slope. So keep this in mind, man. You know, it's okay to experience these higher lows here in life and in your trading and in your P&L. You know, I do it. If I do it, I know a lot of you guys do it. Right, so it's all good, man. Embrace it. You guys take things too serious sometimes. I know you want to make money, man. We all do. Hey, Nick, I purchased the webinar. Will we all get the recording or just the live? Yes, you guys will get the recording as well. We in an uptrend, baby. We're always in an uptrend. Billy O'Neill, bro. Thank you so much. You're the man, bro. You are the man. All right, here we go. Volume coming in here. Volume coming in was. I want to see if this fake out was the leading clue that drives price up. I want to see. I want to see. Yeah, just don't break those previous lows, man. Just don't break the previous lows. And if you do, make it a pack runner. All right, we got news here in 4 minutes. 4 minutes left. John Stew is in the house. Let's go. Oh, back in the house, too. Back in the house. Hey, did we hook? How do we do on those likes here, chat? All right, a little bit better, a little bit better. Hey, if you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like here. But keep that in mind, man. Keep that in mind about, you know, your life and your P&L, and you know, it's gonna go up, it's gonna go down, right? It's gonna, as long as you're continuing to make higher highs and learn from your, AKA learn from your mistakes, then everything's all good. Everything's all good.
Yo, good morning.
What's up, John?
What's poppin', brother?
No beach?
No beach today, man. We back. We back in the office.
All right. He's back, chat. He's locked in.
It feels good to be back. Oh, I'm locked in. You already know.
My guy switches
good, bro.
offices all day.
In and out of locations. Yo, what's good, chat? Pop and happy Wednesday.
Young boy living the dream.
Let's get it. Hey, the life you want to live, act like you're already living it, and it will become a reality. You'll trick your mind into believing it's real. But what's good, Nick? How you doing?
Fantastic, bro. Incredible.
Nice.
Waiting on price, like I always do. Story of my life. Waiting on price.
Same here, bro. I got the same charts as you. I'm ready to go, bro. Yep.
W.
Now all I got to do is be patient, disciplined to my plan.
Yes, sir. That's it.
That's it.
Hey, chat. Speaking of P&L, I don't think I showed you guys any like updates, right? So far, and speaking of P&L, like this almost got to 30 G's, man, but ended up losing like $2,000. So P&L is gonna go up, it's gonna go down, right? So, but all is good when it's just continuing to rise. So it can go up, it can come down, it can go, as long as it's steady on that uptrend, we're good to go, right? So I think we from the time we started the account, we're up about $16,000 now at this point, and we're gonna continue pushing until this thing's at 100K. Yeah, man.
We're just gonna keep executing on some edge. That's it.
It's gonna keep executing. Yeah, what up, Aaron?
Hey, what's good, Z-Gamer? What's good? AB Mike?
Aaron in the house.
What's up, Aaron? Morning, Scott. Scott, Jersey was great. Jersey was great. Can't complain. Had a great time.
Great time.
A blast.
All right, here we go. 59 seconds. 59 seconds here.
8:15, 8:30 news.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Yeah, 8:30. So ADP came in, and now we have unemployment claims, I think, pulling up, right? ADP's here, and now unemployment claims. Yep. Let's take a look at that 1 hour candle. Let's take a look at that 4 hour. Okay. 1 hour is interesting here. Lights Fire in the house. What up, Lights Fire?
Good, Ben. What's up? Lights fire.
All right, let's watch this on the 30-minute time frame. Let's see if we get an explosion here. We got 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, blast off. No? No blast off?
I think it's coming. How you doing, Andrew? What's poppin', bro? Good morning.
Okay, so ADP just tapped the top of the range there. We'll see if we get some more volume here coming in. But yeah, still no trades for me yet. What up, Swifty? Yeah, any of you guys that have been basically trading with us over the last, I would say 3 or 4 months, you guys should be up. Unless you guys made stupid decisions like off the stream and kind of, blew profits, like you guys should be chilling. All right, I see a lot of you guys have passed your funded accounts. I see a lot of you guys, few of you guys have gotten payouts. So you should be chilling, unless you're doing things on the side that maybe you shouldn't be doing. Everything should be pretty good.
Well, I'm sure people are. Yo, let's go. Wags, what's up, man?
Wagga wagga. Yeah, man, my account was creeping on 30 G's, and I ended up like taking a bigger trade that one day, or that Friday. I lost like $2,200 on the account. It was like 2 weeks ago, and then that other day when I broke my rule, I think I was risking like probably like 1,500 there too. So otherwise, and you know what I thought to myself? What are you doing, bro? What are you doing? Like, why are you trying to rush this, right? The goal is to get to 100K at some point early next year. Well, what are you trying to make a whole bunch of money for in one trade? So that was my big lesson. Just chill out and just keep building, right? So yeah, anytime I've ever tried to rush things and oversize, and that it may not be a lot of money, but I'm oversizing in terms of like my account, right? So anytime I attempt those things, it never ends up good.
Slow and steady always wins the race.
I broke a rule one day because I didn't wait for a closure. Yeah, slow and steady. Swole is the goal. Let's go.
Man, that's another important reason why we got to detach ourselves from the money, because you were only tempted to break your rules because of the money, right? Like the advantage to make more quickly, get that account up there quickly. So
yep.
when you just forget about the money and trading, like your trading just is so much more smoother, better, more clear, so it's a strange thing in trading, but you really got to detach yourself from the money in this game to really make money like that.
Yes, sir. What up, Dylan? Good morning, bro. Hey, give me 1 sec. I'll be right back.
Dylan, what's good, man? Yesterday I learned discipline. Felt great to actually stick to my rules. Oh my God, it feels amazing, bro. It feels amazing, man. And trading like excellent or great, like by following your plan, is not a one-time thing, but it's a habit, right? And how do you create a habit? By repetition, right? Showing up every day and doing the same things every day is when you really get good at it, right? I mean, I got really good at following my plan every day when I committed myself for a whole year to just follow my plan every day, right? Every trade I took, I made sure I was following my plan, following my rules, following my setups. And when I did that, in that year, in that process, is where I build the habit of always following my plan, right? And that's what trading's about, right? Being excellent in trading is a habit. And if you haven't yet built that habit, that's what you should be working on, right? That's the work. In the same way, if you were playing a sport like baseball or basketball, You know, the work would be taking a bunch of shots or hitting a bunch of baseballs. In trading, the work is knowing what you're doing and executing on what you know you should do, right? I'm following your plan. That's what we're trying to do. Yeah, it was good, Swift Jaden. Yeah, man, got a good amount of sun for sure these last couple of days. What's up, Davey Pete? What's up, Lights Fire? Doing great, man. How are you? What's up, Edson? Yeah, Armor of God production. My account is up 6% on a 5K challenge. Small wins was the key. Follow the plan. Yep. Yes, sir, man. There you go.
He got the keys.
Let the home runs always come naturally, right? We just want to look for base hits, you know, gain 2% here, 4% here, you know, let the home runs come naturally. Lights Fire. I've just starting in 2024, I've just been trading personal capital. And I've been loving it. Thank you, Dylan. Here's your juice box. A little bit of it. A little bit of a juicer.
What's your simple advice for new traders in order to stay in longer in the industry? Simple advice: treat it like a business. You wouldn't expect to make money in your first week in business, right? Takes time, right? It takes time. You gotta buy the business, you gotta get the inventory, you gotta, you gotta get the location, or if it's online, you gotta start selling the merchandise. Things take time, so understand that it takes time. And your IG guru who promises you that you'll make a bunch of money in a couple days, he may be right, but let's see how many days that'll happen for, right? So I would just say, get your expectations right, be in it for the long haul, and don't expect instant gratification. Yo, Zach, let me hold another $1 then, bro. Holy, that man, you better play the lotto today, dude. I don't normally play the lotto, but when I accidentally make $6,000 on 2 accounts, I do. What's up, Grind Time,
Hey,
Mufasa? Good to see you here, man.
Nice. Lights Fire. Good stuff.
Ooh, Lights Fire. It's getting personal.
Yeah, real personal.
Yeah, Hero of the Day got you. Hero of the Day got you with those sniper entries.
What's up, Dominic? The drive was great. Nice and quick.
Yo, Grind Time, Mufasa. I remember the last boot camp. My man was jamming at the end. You were feeling good at the last boot camp. We're going to get some music like that for this one. Yeah. He was feeling good. Morpheus, how you doing, man? With my 2 accounts, should I just try and pass each challenge individually or take trades on both? I don't know. Personal preference.
I would personally put it on a copy trader. Trade both of them.
Yeah. Yeah, any updates on the challenge? Yeah, we're still waiting for the link, but it should be here by the time stream is coming to an end today. Yeah. How could I get that link, the 50%, that'll be coming in today or tomorrow. That's the same link. Am I trading NASDAQ? Nah, I'm just trading gold. Just Goldie. Have I taken a withdrawal from Top One? Not yet. I gotta wait the 30 days, and then I'm good, and then I could do it every 2 weeks. Get a little bi-weekly paycheck. What is this playbook you're talking about? Just hit exclamation point playbook, and then you'll hear all about it.
You mean our secret formula? Can't have that.
By the way, all their traders are gonna charge you a lot of money for that playbook video. Right? That video was super in depth, man. That was a 40-minute video. Energy. Yeah, we check charts for stream energy.
What's up, Energy?
I forgot what time that was. Oh yeah, Playbook 2. That's the name of it. Playbook 2. Jaguar 5000. Jaguar 5000. Energy, how you feeling today? Ooh, Eagle 4000 or Jaguar 5000.
Energy's feeling great.
That's up to the chat.
What's up, Rodney FX?
Tradeaholic, I missed you, bro. I feel like you haven't been here like for the last day or two. Missed you, man.
Yeah, I felt something was off on my trip,
man. What do you think about Mamba FX? Never heard of him.
Who's that?
Oh, you been here? All right, cool. It's about to be like, phone check, son, phone check. Where is my boy Jaguar? We need that dude. He's like my lucky charm.
Jaguar, where you at?
Do I think TJ? Good. Never heard of him either.
I'd even say that.
Never heard a lot of these guys, to be honest. I just don't be looking around too much. I know who Daniel Savage is. Does anyone trade while driving to work at 70 miles per hour? I think I've done that before. Yeah.
I used to trade on my way to school in my cars.
And then for some reason I found myself going like 95. I'm like, whoa, I thought I was going 70. Whoa, calm down. I'm in drawdown here. Let me slow down. Slow down, Nick Stewart.
70? I don't know, man. Maybe you should be a bit more careful. It's up to you, though.
Put that thing on cruise, man, or get a Tesla. Ain't it?
Almost took out the security guard in the school when I was driving.
Whoops.
So I was looking at my trade.
Didn't see you there, Bill. Pit blow it. Oh, he's a 20-year-old who made 1K to 100K in a day. Sounds legit. Oh, you're missing the tunes in Zoom. See? I'm telling you, y'all gotta get a friend like C Melly. Wiz Buddha. You gotta appreciate C Melly, man.
Yeah, thanks,
All right.
Melly, for reminding Nick.
Here we go. So we might continue up here. This is unemployment claims. You did get a closure above. 15-minute, 30-minute closures above. Let's see how numbers came out here. Higher numbers here for unemployment claims. Red numbers for ADP. Interesting. Let's see, we should move up. Should move up here. We've got plenty of room here to continue moving up. You got a little something right here, and then above there is super clean as well. So 95 and drawdown, bro. Get spooky. Oh, nice, Tradeaholic. That's dope. That's cool. Driving them trucks. Currently in a 10K account, but not profitable yet. Should I continue and iron on skills here before moving to a bigger account? Yes. Yes, definitely. Skills first. Skills and then capital. Yeah, so we'll see what we do here at this point. I really don't like taking trades during these news releases, so I'm just hanging tight for right now. 1 hour moving up.
Probably like 4 hour.
Yeah, we got a 4-hour closure coming. So if this thing closes with like no top wick, and you just happen to be in this place on the 30-minute time frame, and you start getting some signs, you know what I mean? We might have a little some. Don't nobody tell nothing.
No one knows nothing.
Nobody knows. Nobody knows a thing. Are you 100% American? You look a little bit Portuguese and European. I'm a little American, little Portuguese, little European, little Swiss cheese, Chinese, Japanese.
A little bit of everything.
I got it all in me, even Swiss cheese. Yo, for real, why is price printing gaps? I'm the streamer. Shouldn't I have the answer to that question? I have no idea. No clue why we keep gapping on the daily. It's weird. Holy.
Discovery Houston, press to ATO.
Why are you all talking about other traders? I'm lucky I found this channel. Stop talking about scammers. I think we mentioned that like one time, or another trader like once. What are you talking about? Swiss cheese, Japanese, Chinese, all that.
Who the hell is this guy?
What are you talking about? On TradingView, am I supposed to be on a micro gold futures or just gold? It depends on do you like what you see on the regular gold, or is that a little too like big on size? Because if it is, then you might want to run the micros and then just do it that way.
Mm.
All right, so just gonna sit tight here and wait. Yeah, nothing to really do. If there wasn't a red folder out, I would have been interested in this buy here, but
Watching price tick up and down.
how'd I find Raja? Actually, a friend of mine put me on with Raja. Yeah. Yeah, you guys remember
Thank God.
IML? So obviously, like, I think everyone came through the door in IML at some point. And I had very quickly realized that they were mainly just doing like the like selling, trading, education, and all that stuff, you know, whatever. So they weren't really like trading; they were just kind of building a network marketing business around trading. So I decided to go look for ways to figure this thing out myself. And while I was doing that, I had one of the guys hit me with the follow up. Hey Nick, man, how you been? You ready to build? I'm like, nah, bro. I'm not ready to build anything besides my own trading business. And he was like, all right, cool. He's like, you know, there's this guy, Wicks Don't Lie. He does free YouTube live streams every day. Check him out. So I was like, all right, man, thanks. And yeah, praise God. I checked him out, and thank God he sent me that message, because now this is basically the style I've been trading ever since.
Yeah.
Traders X in the building. What up, bro?
What's up, Traders X?
Yeah, IML, man. A lot of people came through. Then they switched it. They're like, oh, we don't want to be known as IML anymore. Let's just say, well, we're IM. like, bro. Why didn't I take the buy? Because it's a red folder candle here. Yeah, I don't like trading red folder news. We got a juice box, though. That's good, though. I'm happy. Uncle Ted's from Toronto. Oh, Uncle Ted. The Unk. See, Melly, I'll get you an XS. What broker do I use for the main account? I use Tradeovate. Excuse me, Tradeovate. All right, so we're pretty much done here with news now until about 9:45. So, yeah, let's let this sink into the markets here, and then we'll go ahead and see where price is at come 9 a.m. here. Yeah. Yeah, you guys can come over here for the webinar. So you guys can come to timetoeattrading.com. Just pop open here this webinar link. That'll get you to the sign up and registration area. Oh, we missed your trade there, Energy. Okay. Let's go back. Let's get Energy's trade. Let's get it. Damn, did I miss a bunch of them? Yeah. Looks like I missed a few trades.
Damn, bro. Gotta check them out.
Come on, Nick. Get on your job. Let's get it. All right, let's take a look at Energy's trade here. So took the fade at 3:30 a.m. Eastern. 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 tapped a support, right, or resistance. Closed with no top wick. Awesome. Next candle created a rejection wick. I see it. Entered at the break of the bearish candle. Okay. Then I trailed stops and to the next previous candle. 4 hour was bullish, closed 90% at 10 pips and went BEB, got hit. Perfect. W. Great trade. 3:30 a.m. Eastern. 3:30 a.m. Eastern. Where was that? Right here? Okay, yeah, I see it. Right here. Yeah, nice trade, Energy. Yeah, there was no follow through here on any sells. Any sells. We just kept making higher highs. Yeah, nice trade though. The one thing I like is the fact that she said this candle closed with no top wick. This one gave a rejection, and then she entered here, right? So she understood why this could play out. She didn't just, you know, no top wick. Hey, this is the fade, right? There's a few things that she added in there and threw it together, and yeah, that's what you got to do. Good trade. W. Oh, Trader's X was in it too. Oh man, where we going here? What'd we hit? Not placing trades today? Yeah, I am. I'm just waiting. Playing the waiting game. Yeah, we should tap into at least 56 here. Unless we start shying away now. Oh man, how nice of you to say. That's beautiful. We're hunting, brother. We're hunting. That's right, Scott. What else we got here in charts for stream? Anything good? Tradeaholic participating. Let's take a look here. Got ready for the buys and blast off. Nice, bro. Yeah, we the first hint there for me was that fake out, right? This one right here. Candle closed back in the range, and that's where it all started. So yeah, that was a good read. If the red folders weren't here, I would have probably been in a buy from this candle here. Let's see here. Let's patiently waiting for a trade to explode. Playbook, yeah, playbook works for every session. You just have to understand when the volume comes in, because the playbook is very heavily based off of volume times. You know, so as long as you understand your pair and when it brings volume during that session, then yeah, absolutely. Yes, sir. I wasn't drawdown for hours. Yo, you were probably going. Hey, you were probably. I can't even imagine what was going on.
You got gangster with the charts.
Word. Man, what weapon did you pull out, bro? Looks like you scared the daylights out of Price. Hey, give me a sec. I'm gonna get some more water, and then we got what, 15? Yeah, about 15 minutes left for the 4-hour closure here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, 4-hour pushed up there nicely. We are coming into that 2356 level. That's support and resistance to the left. It's nice. We're tapping that area. We also got, if we could break to there, we got 2364 too to drive to. But yeah, nice. That was a nice 4-hour push there. That's what you could expect of the 4-hour to do, right? After closing above those levels. And this is the patient part of trading, y'all. I love it though. Time to flip my $10 account. Let's go. Yo, would have loved to be in those buys if we didn't have 8:30 news, but it's all good.
What are you gonna do? This is the hard part, man. The waiting part is the hard part that most traders don't want to participate in. But if you can make the hard part the easy part, that's where the separation comes in.
Sorry.
Whether it be,
And this, sorry.
go ahead, bro.
Now, like I said before, you know, like trading your plan is not a one-time thing. It's a habit. Being patient and trading is a habit too, right? And every single day, even me right now, I'm still building that habit every day, right? With repetition, showing up every day and patiently waiting for that setup, right? We're building habits here. That's why it's so important that we focus on building the habit, building the skill sets before even focusing on the money, right? The skill sets and the habits always come first, right? And when you got that, the making money will just be a byproduct to your actions and your trading.
Very true. All right, 4-hour pulling back here.
Yeah,
Right,
nice.
so-
I like that, C-Melly.
Pete the G in the house. Would we call that target tapped? Yeah, the only thing was if you took this, you were basically kind of in a way like just guessing, right? Because there's nothing here outside of just this pullback. So there was no like valid entry for anything, but yeah, maybe we tap target, maybe not. Excuse me, maybe this 15-minute candle runs up and we close with no top wick. We'll see. We got to wait 12 minutes for the answer. Yep. How come every message about Sam Capital gets ignored? What message? I don't think we've seen one message about Sammy boy. Sam the man? Sam the man. What's your question? What's your question about Sam Capital?
Sam's the man, bro.
Sam the man. Oh, where's Sam Capital? Gone? Question mark? No one answering. LOL. Sam Capital is where Sam Capital is. Like, I think you guys are funny, man. It's like the drama series. Where's Sam Capital? Yeah, Sam's big chillin', man. I talked to
It's
Sam
like a reality
yesterday.
TV show.
Where's your Bali friend gone? He's in Bali. I talked to him this morning. What else you guys want to know about? Portuguese, Swiss cheese.
Yeah, y'all are hilarious.
Uncle Scalp guy. Yeah, he's where he is. Uncle Scalp's where he's at.
Where are you?
Where are you is the question. But don't answer because we already know. Because we already sent TK into your computer and he's watching you now through the webcam. So you might want to put some tape on that, G.
Say hi, TK.
Where's Unc? What up, Cryptomatic? Yeah, say it with me. Hi, TK. Oh, man. Yeah, I don't think I updated you guys. My bad in the month, but yeah, the account is at 25,000 ish now. So I went up about like 17, 18,000, and then now it's sitting like $15,300 in profit. So yeah, we're just gonna keep marching on with this account and keep building, keep taking it slow and steady, and work towards that 100K. 100K, 150K personal capital, and I think I'll be pretty much chilling at that point. So yeah, we're up about 16,000 since that first, since we put the money in the account. Where's Green? Green check.
Maybe Mike. Hey, I think Joey Stew's here.
Joey
In
Stew
the chat,
check.
he's got to be.
Joey Stew
He's gotta
check.
be.
I'd eat my hat if Joe wasn't here. Gulp.
He's got to be here. Joe, say something in the chat.
Joe, don't make me look bad, bro.
I'm confident that you're here, bro.
Don't make me eat my hat, dude.
There he is.
Look at that. How you doing?
How you doing?
Wow, man, that was close call, Joe.
Yeah,
Holy.
facts.
Joe's always here, gang. Don't trip. Joe and
Alright.
Green, man, they be under the radar. Hey, by the way,
They
shout out to
folks,
Joe.
They locked in.
Joe's up like 6 or 4%, I think, on his account. How you doing, Joe?
Freaking go, Joe.
Don't sleep on the kid.
Definitely don't. He's locked in.
We got big dreams and goals, man.
Hell yeah, bro. A lot of work to do.
Did Shiro get a wife? Yeah, in Wakanda Land? Yup. Shout out to Shiro.
Yeah,
Shiro the
fire,
hero.
Joe. Let's go.
Y'all don't want the sauce with Joey Stew in that competition, man. By the way, gang, we'll have that link up for you guys. Anyone new that just came in, we'll have the link up probably by the end of the stream or tomorrow. W. All right, man. Let's sit tight. Let's hang out. 7 minutes. Let's sing Kumbaya. What do you guys want to do?
I don't even know.
Remember, this is the hard part for traders. So while we're over here singing Kumbaya, traders be trading.
What can we do? I don't know. Let's think positively.
One Pit Mark in the house. How you doing, Mark? Yeah, we got the guitar. When did I take those cells? I took them at 5 a.m.-ish over here. Yeah, right here. I was in the middle
Yo,
of
grind time Mustafa. What's up, bro?
Yeah, I was in the middle of a Bible study while I was doing that, so I just closed that thing. I'm like, why am I trading while I'm studying my Bible? Let me just get back to doing what I was doing.
You took a cell at 6 a.m.?
5.
Damn.
This one. Doink.
Nice. Wow, grind time Mustafa. That's so funny you say that. I was playing Uno over the weekend.
Were you?
Yeah.
How many of you guys have played left, right, center? Who's played that game?
Ah, bro. That's a classic.
Who's played that game?
Yo, Nick, we gotta have a game with 10 racks with left, right, center on the line. 10 racks apiece.
I like that game, bro.
That'll be an
'cause
intense
You're
game.
always in. Even when you're out, you're still in.
Yeah. Yeah. Fun ass game.
You guys want
What's
to
up,
play
YOLO Trader? Good morning, bro.
tic-tac-toe?
All right, yeah, I'll play with you.
All right, but
You want to go first?
nah, I don't.
All right.
It's gone.
Oh, you don't want to play? One game, bro?
All right, but
Go purpose. Go boy. You can go first, bro. Ladies first.
Oh yeah. This tic-tac-toe, right?
Yeah.
All
Yo,
right,
let's get some Let's Go Johns in the chat. Thanks, Lazy Panda.
Let me make it white.
All
Where
right,
do you
I'll
want yours?
go. I'll go in the top left corner. I'll go on the top of yours, I guess.
Right here.
Yeah.
You sure?
No, on the top of that middle X, brother.
This one?
Yes,
This
sir.
box here? Brother?
Yes, sir.
You
Yes,
sure?
sir.
You sure?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, I'll take the bottom left corner. Ah. These games always end in no winners.
How do you even
I'll
win this game?
take. All right, I'll take you know where I'll take, man. Come on.
Bottom left? I couldn't go bottom left.
I'm gonna take the middle right. The middle right. So we could tie this game, break even, wash
middle right.
free game. Just a wash.
Nope. I won.
Oh, you're hilarious. Imagine.
Who else wants to play me? Oh, nice.
All
Look
right,
at
that
this.
killed.
Pulling back.
That killed about 30 seconds.
Who wants to come in and play me for a 25K challenge account?
Oh, I'll play you for a 100K account.
Oh man. The new guys like, what are they? What, I thought Calvin said these guys are serious traders. Damn, I guess I could have won if I used that bottom left box, right? Wow, I messed up.
Hey, good trading's boring trading. I'm glad I'm bored right now.
Let's play some checkers. Want to play checkers?
Let's play it. I'd rather be bored on my computer waiting for the setup than doing like homework or something, you know,
Staring at it, drooling.
or like working for a job.
All right, here we go. Flipping now. 4 hour pulling back.
Go.
So, what did we tap into? This area right here.
Yep.
Right here, right here. Let's look left. Is there any more evidence? Oh, what do you know? Right here, right here. Right here. Oh, okay. Okay. Cool.
Yeah, that's why I was gonna want to make a bottom wick. Sure.
The gorilla. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Let's go. Oh, let's see. Question. Now that we have a rejection wick, could this be a wick to fill at 9:30? Basing it off of the concept that the wicks get filled during high times of volume. Yeah, so pretty much what we got going on now is we want to see if we can potentially, so the 4 hour is most likely going to close bullish, right, in 1 minute unless something crazy happens, right? So there's still more room to go up on the 4 hour chart, right? We've got 65-ish in targets, right? So if this 4 hour does want to continue up, what you will probably see is another bearish candle, right? Come on down. So this is what I would like to see for buys. This bearish candle come down. That's going to make the 4 hour bottom wick, right? And then a support formed. And once we get that support formed, that's going to be the opportunity to go along here and then fill that wick. right? So if this is this is 8:15, or I'm sorry, 9 a.m., 9:15, 9:30. Take a pick.
Are you interested in the cells or not?
I'm still semi-interested in cells, yes, but got to see things the way I want.
Just for
them.
like the idea of the 4-hour bottleneck.
Could be. Yeah, we'd have to do
Yeah.
that now though. So.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens here at 48. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. What up, Green? You don't even say hi, bro? Sheesh, damn.
Green Reed.
Hey, what's up, Derek? Yes, I did get it, bro. I didn't check it fully out, but I'm going to. I'm probably gonna use that because I need some updated stuff. Yeah, you see, Green? How you doing? My man. Green, you coming to the webinar? Green pulling up. How you doing? We haven't given Mo much attention here lately.
No.
What up, Mo?
I'm dying.
How you doing?
Right now.
I bought my ticket already. Okay, Green. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, that webinar I'm preparing. I'm getting a head start on preparation for that because I really wanna make this like super in depth when it comes to what we're looking at tech from a technical standpoint at this point, man. It's gonna be fire. I'm even learning in my preparation. Will I get the 50% discount? Yes. Yeah, no, I don't think it'll have it might have an expiration time, like, you know, if you don't use it for like 6-8 months maybe, but I'm not sure. I'll find that out. All right, I'm going to sit tight here. I'm going to wait for 9:15, and then that's when we should start to see some sort of positions coming about here. So it's been a patiently waiting day, right? Obviously, we had red folders at 8:15, red folders at 8:30, and then waiting for this 4 hour to close. And now let's just wait on this 15-minute, and I think we should be in pretty good standings to spot an opportunity. Yeah. Webinar link. Just hit exclamation point webinar, I think. Right? Maybe? Yeah, it'll be in the chat. Just give it 1 second.
Didn't even know Nick left. Yeah, 15 minutes will give us some more information here. Yeah. What's up, Cannon? Yeah, no. Yeah, chat. So how was everyone's London session? I seen that it was a little I think some people took some losses. I guess it was just probabilities today in the London sesh. How old am I? Umar, I am 19. 19 years young. $20 spots left for the Eagle 4000, Richard. That's the July 4th sale. 8-10 pips in London. Hey, let's go. Good stuff. Energy. Way to eat. Energy's eating. Great. Umar, man, I've been trading since I was 15. Yeah, like 10th grade in high school. First started trading. In the first 2 years, I didn't make any money. It was more so building the habits, building the skill sets. But I was very, very fortunate and blessed to start at a very young age, so I could sacrifice, making money when maybe I really didn't need it, to really learn this skill set. And remember, it doesn't matter, like if like someone can make 500 on a trade, someone can make $50 on the trade, but the idea of it's the same, right? It's the same trade, right? So the skill set will always be the most important thing, because making that over and over again consistently is what is going to matter most, right? At the end of the day. So no matter where you are right now, always focus on the process of trading, right? Over the outcome. That is major important. If you're a new beginner today, that's like one of the best piece of advice I can give you is focus on your process of trading and don't focus on the outcome, right? The outcome will just take care of itself naturally in the process of you focusing on the process of trading. But yeah. And hey, man, there's a bunch of ways to get some capital if you're lacking it. So if you need that, hustle up to get that capital so you can apply these skill sets to it. Umar, I think everyone's process is different, bro. Everyone has their own individual process, so that's just the question should be like, how quick do you want to learn the skill sets, right? Like it's all up to you. Some people aren't good students, right? Some people want to make the same mistakes over and over again. Some people really don't want it like that, bro. But if you really want it, you'll do it, right? You'll really follow your plan, and you'll do what you have to do to get there. But it's up to you, man. It's up to you. Mr. Mac, I don't think there's a stream tomorrow just because it's a bank holiday, right? July 4th.
Yeah.
So,
no stream tomorrow, chat.
Yeah.
Unfortunately. Maybe I'll pop in on Discord. If we don't get that link today, I'll get it out on Discord tomorrow. Yeah, maybe I'll go live on Discord. Just keep an eye out. If you guys aren't in the Discord, just pop in. It's a free Discord you guys can pull up to. Haven't taken a trade today.
Rich White, same here.
Yeah. Feels real good, right?
Same here.
Embrace it.
Feel organized, right? Feel clean.
All right, cool. Let's see. We're rejecting from 48 here, so there may be an opportunity coming up. 15 closure coming up here in 5 minutes. Is FTMO good or bad? It's neither. It's nor good nor bad. Yeah, tomorrow's July 4th. Yep. All right, good stuff here. We're flipping bullish now. Very good, very good.
Yeah, I seen some fireworks actually last night.
Nice. Yeah, ideally we want to see if we can close above 51 here, right? Because that's where we really ran into some trouble. So if we can close above 51, it's exactly what I drew out earlier, right? And then we can catch that wick fill.
Yeah. I like 51.
Have you studied the same idea with the impulse entries in situations like this? We usually take before the retracement. This would be... Wait, this would be at the end to continue up. Yeah, like taking an entry right here and having stops below. So entries down here as you tap into this. But I'm still trying to get an actual read on that, right? Outside of just knowing that that's a zone, I want to see if I can get something else that is duplicatable and repeats itself. But outside of just knowing the zone is there, you know, but at that point you're kind of taking a guess too. So yeah, I'm trying to find some more evidence to where we can get these sniper entries and kind of keep stops sitting pretty tight. Well, Andrew was at the fireworks.
Oh, yeah? Yo, crazy, right, Andrew? The ending was pretty sick. It was a good
Grand
show.
finale.
The grand finale. Yeah, it was good. It was good.
Hmm. Sleeping at the bus stop. Wow. Yeah.
That's G.
That's pretty G to me. Man, when you in 10 years when you look back, if you do it right, you'll look back and say, "Wow. What a journey."
Facts. Facts. That's great.
All right, we're pushing here before 9:15. What we gonna do? If you could give your advice or if you can give advice to your struggling young self, what would it be? It would be that to be still and know. That's it. To be still and know.
Yeah, facts, bro. And trust the process. Fall in love with it.
Wow, we might break this high and start flying right here. Yeet. We might go here, chat. We got 1 minute.
We got 2 minutes. You said 1 minute?
We might be gone.
No.
You guys see how I truly do not care, right? If we're gone, we're gone, right? Unless the setup's there, you guys see how I just don't care at all, like not one bit. So if it goes, it goes, right? But if the playbook shows up, then that's when I go.
Love it. Love it.
I slept outside on a bench for 1 month. Let's go. What did you learn from that? Anything?
Stories like those are the best. Love it.
What was your takeaway? How come I didn't get in the buy on the 30-minute flip? Because my stats suck before 9:15. My trades don't tend to play out as much before 9:15 than they do after 9:15. All right, 4 hours still has some room to go. 1 hour's open, looks good. 30-minute looks good. 15 minutes gonna give us a bottom wick here, and then I'm gonna have a buy stop. If we get a bottom wick, if. If. All right. All right, chat. I'm going to have a buy stop here on the break of the highs. If we can come down and make a steeper bottom wick, that'd be great. If not, I'm going to keep previous candle stops. And yeah, that's going to be my trade. Let me see if I can get this on top one.
Mm.
15-minute resistance. Yeah, that's basically what we got here. So if we break those highs, we should come up and fill that wick. Right? The sells aren't valid for me. Let's do a fresh analysis here for sells too, because the sells just aren't valid yet, right? 4 hours still got room to go. We still got all this room here on the 4-hour chart to push up through that wick and, you know, continue driving. Same thing with the 1 hour. 1 hour looks pretty clean up until at least 58 here. And then if not, you know, up towards like 60, 63. So still got room on the 1 hour, still got room on the 4 hour. 30 minutes got a nice wick fill. 15-minute breaks the highs. It should go here. Yeah, so you got a new support right here on the 15. There is nothing in our way over here. So that looks pretty good.
And
Go ahead.
why do you?
We grabbed the pack here on the 30 already. 15-minute printing above this range here at 50. So yeah, we should run up and potentially fill that wick. That's about a 27 pip wick fill, and then maybe continue on up with the 4-hour bias here. 4 hours not.
Why do you not
really
care?
done.
About the why do you not care about the 15-minute resistance
This one
that we
here,
closed?
because we came up and we created support, right? And now if we break those highs, you should fill that wick, and then therefore continue blasting off on the 4-hour now after this bottom wick's been formed. So the 15-minute, because if we did that, we'd always have to move our resistance, boom, and then if it does it again, boom and boom, and then you never really get an opportunity to get that break and retest. So that's basically what that is. Break, retest, closure above, and then boom, you know, if we decide to pop off. The only way I'll exit is if we end up closing back below like this, then that's when we may come down, right? So that's probably where I'll exit. But as of right now, it looks pretty good. You got to break those highs. Got to break the highs. Closing partials on this one is going to be the wick fill here. So we have 915 here, and we also have 930 coming in. So we're going to get volume to throw price around. It's just which way is it going to go, right? If we break the highs when volume comes in, we should fill the wick. If we close below when volume comes in, then we should fill this wick. So yeah, big closures. The better, the steeper wick, the better. Hey, nice. Mixing them indicators of price action. Let's go. then we pretty much got pretty solid range up here. Let's take a look. All right, this is a perfect bottom wick here. So if we can tap back in here and then break the highs, that's the move I'm looking for. If we close below, then we may have a different story on our hand. Barcode vibes. If not, we got barcode vibes coming.
Barcode.
So I think we're doing a quick, okay, pull back here. Yeah, 10 minutes for NYSE open here. 10 minutes. I took one trade, one trade earlier in pre-New York, right here. I think it was this one right here. 5 a.m. Stops are going to be, so you can keep your stops below this low here or below the previous candle low. Whatever you like. So you got a new low here. If that's the bottom wick, then you can keep it there. If not, you can use that previous candle and whatever you know, either current or previous. Yes, you can use current. Yep, for sure. Get a tighter stop.
How you doing?
What's up, Mo?
Hello, Mo.
Hopefully on this trade we can kind of slip and fall and land in a pile of $3,000. We'll see. We'll see if we can get as lucky as Zach here today. How you doing? Yeah, same here, AB Mike. Yep. BRB. BRB.
BRB. Excuse me. Damn, your slippage got you in? All good. Hey, if we re-break those highs, it's looking good though. Hopefully you're not over risking, you know, because no trade is 100% guaranteed win. And as long as we respect those previous candle lows, right, trade is valid. One broker you're in, one you're not, yeah. The power of a broker, man. That's another reason why I love futures so much is, you know, I'm getting my exact entries. There's no slippage. That's pretty much illegal. So I'm in a safe environment here.
Slippage, yeah, slippage.
Hmm.
9:15, ready to cook.
See?
Yeah, the sells are a little tough too right now, especially closures below here because that doesn't really validate anything. There's no break of lows. There's nothing going on at this line here. So that's where you also may get, like, you may get a closure below. We've seen this happen too. Closure below, and then the next one is the takeoff candle. All right, so we'll see.
Yeah, daily and 4 hours both heavily bullish too.
Yep. Yeah, always account for spreads, man. Always.
Yeah.
What do I think about NASDAQ sells? I think they're pretty good based off of what I'm seeing here. If you get a closure here in just 5 minutes, that looks really good. What's the 4 hour looking like? Bearish? Yeah. Looks good. 15-minute closure below. Pretty good. Got clean range now coming down. How do I feel about Euro USD? I don't know. I haven't looked at that pair in about 4 years. Yeah, if you send a chart, I can take a look at it for you though. All right, 4 minutes. Yeah, you can use current candle stops. Yeah, definitely. It's 21 pip difference, so yeah. Is the buy stop still good? I think so. Yeah, I think unless we break that low, this is still pretty valid. And we got 9:30 coming in here, so it's gonna be what, 3 more minutes? 3 minutes, and then we have 9:30 coming in. So let's see how this candle closes, and we'll see how we move in 5 minutes. Woke up mad early today, man. I was up at like 4 in the morning.
Damn.
Yeah.
Early bird.
Yeah. The 4 a.m. club, not the 5 a.m. club. All right, few more minutes. 2 more minutes. We close with no bottom wick, that'd be even better. I'm a proud member of the 5 a.m. club. Let's go.
Hey.
What do you do at 5 a.m.? What do you do? What's your routine like? What's it looking like? What's it looking like? What time do I go to bed? I usually go to bed around like 10, between 10 and 11. So usually around 10:30. Cuddle with the kids and watch Bluey. Hey, that's always fun.
It's a vibe.
That's always fun. Pray, plan my day, watch the Playbook 2.0, and then get ready for pre-New York. Hey, what a good, that's a good morning routine today.
Nice.
W. All right, 44 seconds here. Let's see. Are we going to get a rocket ship for 9 a.m. to continue this bullish move, or are we going to start pumping down here? Let's see what happens. 30-minute candle looking sketchy. Not really trying to go down. Not really trying to go up. So the 15.
The 1 hour and 30 minute look.
Yeah. Yep. 5 seconds. Do you forget about your personal problems when you start trading, streaming? No, you forget about your personal problems when you go out and help others get over their personal problems. My mentor would always say, Nick, you want to start getting over your problems? Go out every night and help people get over their problems. And it worked. You realize, hey, I don't got it that bad after all. Yeah, our problems are minuscule, man. Hero of the day ain't playing that, man. He ain't playing that. Yeah, my kids, man, at 4 a.m., they're still sleeping. I may be interested in getting a better entry down here, but we have to push down a bit first. Anticipating that this could potentially be a fake out here. But for now, I got buy stops on the break of the high. Patience is a virtue, yeah. Man, I need some honey. I've been talking a lot over the last couple days.
Yeah.
I need some honey. If we flip bear, I'm gonna have I'm moving my buy stop to right here. Right? Because if we flip bearish and then don't fill that wick, there's a problem going on down there. Right? And then we don't break this low here, I'm gonna have a buy stop. Right? I'm gonna move it a little bit. I think it's like a 20 pip difference. Let's see if we can go down a little lower here. Come on, come on. Break the low. Break the low. And then we'll have a much tighter stop. We'll shorten our stops by like 20 pips. But we may not get that. How's my day been? Fantastic, man. Living the dream, brother. Living the dream.
Scott, no, I'm not in anything. Not in anything.
Hey, yo, why you worried about what Johnny's in, bro? Yeah, that's right, TK. Yeah, TK's up early, man. Sheesh.
What, Alexander?
Yeah, it would have been nice to get the entry down here, but it's all good. Who got it? Who clipped it from down there? Nobody knows nothing, Hugo. Hugo. Yeah, I'm running out of honey too, man. I gotta get some more honey. Honey.
Some more, dog?
No, I don't have to order it. I
Yo,
just go to that guy who hangs out at the farm there.
Yeah. Gonna have to pick some more up today. Bro, I'm starting to miss Florida.
I bet. I bet
Yeah,
you
I'm
are.
starting to get homesick.
I bet you are. The pic he sent me on IG. Oh, let's take a look.
Hmm.
If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, you guys can follow me on Instagram.
I already follow you, bro.
Follow me here. IG. Just don't forget the underscore. Otherwise, you might be hitting up Nick Stewart with the Eagle 4000. That boy don't play. That boy don't play. By the way, you guys enjoying the trade recap video? Look at this dude slurping down a milkshake, whipped cream, man. Ah, man, these guys. Hey, anyway, are you guys enjoying the trade recaps that I've been posting? Yeah, I've been posting them, so if you guys are enjoying them, let me know. If not, I won't post them anymore. Seems like
bro,
you guys
keep
are liking
posting
them.
them.
I think they all got over like 1,000 views. W.
Keep posting them. They're very educational.
All right, can we break the highs here? Yes, we can. All right, I am activated here. Stops are going to be kept below the lows. Shooting for a pretty decent TP up here at, what is this? 58 and then 63. 63. And then, yeah, 58 here. So let's see if we can run up and push through this barcode. And if we can, we have volume on our side. So if we can do that, we should run a straight run up to 58 there. We are in, Pete the G. Yes, we are. We are in. They're very educational. Okay, cool. I'll keep them coming. Some of them are 5 minutes. Some of them are like they're anywhere between 5 and 10 minutes. I think yesterday's was just a little bit more, so a little bit of a deeper recap. Can I take this trade if I'm in India? I don't see why not. I don't see why not.
Why not? Yeah.
$9.45 may be the move here too.
Yeah, that's what I'm waiting for. The drives, whatever.
Cheer. Hope you guys aren't over risking. Hope you're not over leveraging. Because the outcome of this trade is completely random. What lot size do I use on my 200K? A 4 lot. Yeah, using 4 lots. So very, very, very low. Very low lots. Micros, baby. There you go. Perfect. If you're sweating, man, you may be over risking. I'm risking 1%. So imagine I had 100 sticks. I'm risking one of them. Right? That doesn't seem like a big deal, does it? But when y'all are risking like 20 of your 100 sticks, yeet. I have 250K accounts and using micros. Yeah, smart. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Yeah, I'm gonna go break even here at the wick fill. And then see if we can run. Gonna also move stops to current lows here. Do. 16 pips. All right, chat. I'm gonna go break even here and see if we can get this thing to run here for us. So house is money now, and we'll see if it can go. If not, it's no big deal at all. We'll take a BE. We'll take a BE.
Yeah, Purpose, it's all good, bro. In this situation, I would have rather be out wishing I was in than in wishing I was out.
I'm also gonna close full on my top one account at 23 pips because I'm like up a G here, so just gonna close that and then let this one run here. W. We got how much time? We got a couple more minutes for news, so I'm gonna put a partial TP here, and if we happen to hit that before news, great. Limit, boom. Yeah, that'll be about 26 pips if we tap that. Yeah, I'm fully out on top one though. Man, gang, I really wish we got that entry down there. Ah, it did flip too. I was just too slow. I got a partial sitting right around here. Let's see if we can get a pop here in 2 minutes. Pop, 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 pop. Why take the trade? Playbook setup. Opportunity to go long, volume, wick to fill. All right, partials have been taken, so I'll close 80% of my position here at 25 pips, and let's see if the rest can run. W chat, another good one. We made money here today. We made some money. We made some money. Oh, Swag Academy? Yeah, I was part of Swag Academy early on. Oh yeah, there she goes. See, we missed the early juice box, but this one's better. Because we're in it, and it's a playbook position, and it's all set up to our criteria. Right? The other one wasn't. We had news in the way and all that, but this one was. So if you missed that one, just wait for the next best trade. Simple, man. Simple. Ooh, I'm a little salty, though. Next time we'll get that entry, I promise. Next time we get it. Mm-mm-mm. 15 closed below, no bottom wick. No problem this time. What do you, right here? Yeah, we wanted that. We wanted the 15 to close below. I mean, ideally, if it had no bottom wick, that'd be great. But we were, what did I say? Anticipating what? The fake out, right? Anticipating the fake out here. We don't care about this resistance. We're already above 2350, right? If we're already above 2350, then why do we care about that new resistance? It's a break and retest, right? So kind of like I was explaining before, you come up, you retest, you're most likely going to move up. You're not going to need to worry about this. If anything, that's the actual resistance because that's the high, right? So you got room coming up. That's where we close partials, and then you lots of room here on the 4 hour to continue driving now. Yeah, so we'll see. We'll see. I'm break even. I'm 80% out. Whatever happens, happens. I think next point of contact should be. All right, we're pushing up through here now, so I would probably expect 2360 if we keep moving up. 2360. Yeah. Cool. W trade. Got activated early, was in drawdown. Oh, nice. All right, well, at least you came back up, man. Yeah. Yeah, don't worry, I got activated a little early on my top one account, too. I just didn't want to quake, you know? Oh, quack. All right, let's go over this trade real quick. So the idea, so let's kind of talk this through, right? So the idea here is that the 4 hour, yes, it has been pumping up, but it's allowed to because there's more range, right? There's more range up until this level right here. So 4 hours definitely still has room. So I want to point this out because we really haven't ran into this situation yet on the live stream where 4 hour candles have been moving up for so long, yet we still haven't tapped target, right? So there's no fade idea here, right? We still have plenty of room to drive up. So although it is a big candle, right, it's not tapping into its target just yet. So we had a bullish bias on the 4 hour. We're also obviously very bullish here on the day. The 1 hour closed above, right? 1 hour candles closed above. 30-minute, wasn't really looking at the 30-minute too much, but the 15 here, right, kind of gave us these highs. So doesn't this look like a strong ceiling, right? This should be a ceiling, right? So we shouldn't break the high if we want to go down, especially when we close below. This is another easy spotted fake out, man. Like this fake out right here, right? We anticipated that this candle will close back in the range. 9:15 or 9:30, you got volume coming in, right? And if you break those highs there, that's another form of an impulse entry. Right, so that's kind of like what the trade is based off of. You have volume, you have a wick to fill, and then you have the range to fill here. So that was pretty much the idea behind the trade, is that we were very bullish. We broke above, we retested, we couldn't get below. Kind of like an easy fake out to anticipate right here, and then boom, right, the drive up. And now you should keep driving towards like 60 here. Yeah. We'll see. We'll see if we got the juice. If we got more juice. I know we got news coming in here too, so. Yeah, if you guys have any questions on that, we can talk about that, because that was definitely more of like an impulse, like a little bit experience, you know, type of play there. We've done it again. Everyone's been scammed. How does it feel, guys? How does it feel? Am I a Raja Bank student? Yeah, I am. Man, whatever you feel about Raja, you know his trading is dialed in, and I'm proud to have learned trading from him, right? I didn't really learn much else from him outside of candlesticks and this stuff, but yeah. W, baby. We've been scammed. Gold has scammed us once again. I wanted to lose too. But I don't know. I stayed out, so I feel bad. All good. Look, this is a more experienced trade, right? This is something that may not make sense to you right now, and that's totally fine. Totally fine, right? If I didn't have so much chart time under my belt, you know, I probably wouldn't have been in this either. I probably would have been looking for sells maybe at the break of that low there. So all good. Remember I told you guys early on, like, I'm going to start doing some things that you guys may not approve of just yet. But, you know, just let me go before you, right? I'll go before you and I'll make the path straight. And this is more stuff we're going to be talking about in that 2-day webinar, because I'm telling you, man, I'm just seeing things differently. I don't want to spill too much here. I do want to save a lot for the webinar, but we got to talk, man. We got to talk. Pete the G. Yeah, if you took that trade, throw a W in the chat. I'm still have a runner here going, so we'll see what happens with this runner here. But yeah, if you're fired up about taking another win and understanding the move and learning something here today, give the stream a like or a W. Like or a dub. Yeah. Can we run here? Can we run, Johnny boy? See, like, now the idea here is I would be waiting for this closure, right? So let's say we were waiting for range 2s or a closure above. And the main idea of the impulse entry here is the fact that when we would normally wait on this candle, it would close up here. And then what? Right? Do we take a trade right here? We could, but now we feel like it's a bit overextended, like it's a little late, like it's a little too high in the range. So those are the ideas off of the impulse entries that you're looking to capitalize on. And I was very confident in this move to the fact that I was legit going to enter here. You guys have never seen me do something. Well, yes, now you have, but I was all ready to enter here. You know, if we would have kind of came down a little bit lower and then popped up, right? And then once you break those highs, that's when you're break even. And then by that time, you're 20, 22 pips in profit. So I'm working on things like this. You guys will see me get a bit more aggressive on the entries here soon too. But those are all things I want to talk to you guys about. I think I'm going to have a special meeting before that with the elite members and some of the mods and stuff and go over some things. But yeah, I really want to have a good, solid, like hour and a half conversation about this stuff. Yeah, the 30-minute Wall Street Sniper was chalked, man. That's why I didn't even want to look at the 30. Didn't even want to look at it. It was chalked. Yeah, 15-minute was the play because anytime we're in these high times of volume, that's when you'll see me dancing around on the 15 a bit, looking for fake outs like this, and then break of the highs and wicks filled and volume and all that. But yeah, that 30-minute was not looking good. My pleasure, Raven. My pleasure. All right, let's update the journal here. So let's take a look here. So that was 9:15. So, like, I don't want to call that the fade. I feel like that was just a straight up impulse entry on the break of the highs. That it doesn't really describe the fade though. So I think we'll put fade and impulse. Joey Stu. Joey 1%. Talk to me.
Joey Stu.
Talk to me, Joey 1%. Wow, it's been all 15-minute this month. All right, here comes your, I think your news is coming in. Oh, not yet. Where we at? Where we at? Where we at? What did I get there? 26 pips? 26. Are we going to hit B here? Or are we going to pump? We might come down and start ranging back down here again, so. Let's do this. Oh, my favorite number, 5. Ooh, 105 too. Nice. Isn't that a breakout resistance with the impulse entry? Pretty much. Yeah. So I can't call it a breakout because we didn't like get it to break out. I think we can call it a fake out. Right? We got a fake out here and then entry on the break of the previous candle high. I mean, that's pretty valid. That's really what it was. Yeah. Blessings from Panama. Hey. Blessings, my friend. You missed a trade reading the Bible? Trust me. I'd rather be missing reading the Bible than making money. I'd much rather miss a trade than miss my Bible study. What was I gonna do? I don't know. I forgot what I was about to do. There's always another trade. Yeah, you literally can't miss them. Right, we could have got all upset and said we missed this trade here. And then we could have squandered it, right? We could have succumbed to FOMO and took some stupid trades in between all this consolidation, but we didn't. Right, we waited patiently. Waited for the 4 hour to close. Waited for opportunities, and then we got it. Nothing like the Eagle 4000, man. I have it over here. Hey, so this is a lot of the stuff that we're going over in the 2-day webinar is basically the things you've been seeing me take action on here, right? So if you don't fully understand it, you'll begin to understand it over time through coming to the streams and watching it done. But to get like a super in-depth, detailed like teaching, come to our 2-day webinar that we're gonna do. It's gonna be strictly on technical analysis, man. Strictly on these positions, these impulses, the fade ideas. We're gonna talk a little bit about the playbook, right? Briefly for some of the newer people, but you know, we're gonna talk a lot about like what's been making a difference over the past like 5 months for us. That's mainly what this webinar is gonna be about. We'll briefly, like I said, run through like the playbook and the ranges and the session times and all that stuff quickly, but it's meant for those who want to take that next step, you know, in their technicals. And we're also going to be giving away 2 Eagle 4000s on that. No, I'm just kidding. No, we aren't giving away the Eagle 4000, but we will probably give away 5 or 6 25K challenge accounts to at the webinar. Will it be recorded if I can't watch? Yeah. If you guys can't make it it's probably going to run for like 2.5 hours both days. So if you guys can only make it for an hour, or maybe you can't make it at all, don't worry about it. As long as you register, whatever email you leave on the registration, you'll get you'll get the email and stuff that day or the next day and be able to study it all. Okay, Derek. Yeah. Hey, Derek. Thank you, man. I'm gonna set up a group chat with me, you, and somebody else here. In the Discord group, you give Zoom. Ooh, let's go. Run up, run up. Go, 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 go.
Another gap. Wow.
Gappy. Yeah, this is actually my my full target right here. So I'm gonna close this position full at, what was that? 80 pips, because that's my target. So I'm out. W. You see how I don't care if this thing runs, if it keeps running? You see how I'm only playing my game? Right? Some of y'all want to hold here and this thing's going to come down to like 22.80. And you guys are still going to be holding. Messing up a beautiful trade. I used to do that all the time. I'm like, yeah, this is my target, but I'm going to hold even longer. And then it just turns around on me. If this thing drives 1,000,000 pips, it don't matter because I played my game here today. All right, we still got a little bit more room towards 66, but that's my game.
WW, good trade, bro.
Yes, sir. The dates for the webinar, Mark, are gonna be July 27th and 28th, and they're gonna the webinar is gonna start around NY Open. Around that time, 8 a.m. Eastern, 8:15 a.m. Eastern. Yeah, we gapped up with that news there.
Yep.
Secured 90. Oh, nice. Yeah, I got 80, man. We could have had a hundo if we had that other entry there.
So, yeah, good trade. I think I'm about to hop out of here, though.
All right,
Gonna
man.
chill
What you
out.
doing today?
Just chilling. Yeah, I'm
You're
gonna
back from
sit
vacation.
around, wait for a setup for another hour or so, and then just chill for the rest of the day.
Nice. All right, no doubt.
Yep.
What time is it?
There.
10? 10. Yeah, 10 o'clock.
Sir, bro. So, Nick, I'll give you a call a little bit later today.
All right, brother. Sounds good, man. Enjoy the day.
All right. I bet. You too, bro. Chat, hope you guys have a blessed
Later,
day,
brother.
and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Peace. John's out. What up, Zoomers? How y'all doing? 12 of you guys in here. What's good? What's good? How you guys feeling? Who wants to come hang out for a few minutes? Good job, guys. My bad. Just seen the Zoom chat here now. Good job, guys. What's up, Joseph? Good morning, man. Davey P, I'll see you later, man. Have a great day. Enjoy your day tomorrow. There won't be a live stream tomorrow. Tomorrow's the 4th here of July, so that's Independence Day in the U.S., aka the 4th of July. So there won't be any streams tomorrow. Maybe I'll pop in on Discord for a little bit. If you're trading like Asia and London, you should be good. But come New York, it's probably gonna slow up a bit. Yeah, and then we got Friday. Then we got NFP coming in. So it's been a good week so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades so far this week. So pretty good. It's Wednesday, and this was 80. It's Wednesday, and tomorrow we're off, and then Friday we're back. Any questions? Any questions before we dip off here today? How did I edit and add the fade there? I hit what did I hit? Oh yeah, I dropped it down, and then there'll be the edit button. Just hit that, and then this will pop up over here, and then you can add. Yeah, if you guys didn't like the stream, give the stream a like here. If you guys are not subbed to the channel, subscribe, man. Are we where are we at in terms of subs? Somebody said we cracked 30k or 37k. Is that true, mates? Is that true? Let's see. YouTube Studio. Oh, nice. 37,360. 1,666 of you pulled up in the last 28 days. W, guys. Welcome all the new people. 1,600 new people. Almost 1,700 new people here in the last couple weeks. So welcome. We are here to help. All right, cool. Yeah, I think we're good. I think we're going to head out. It was a great session here today. I feel like my time was worth it. Hanging out with y'all today. As always, it's always a good time. But yeah, great trade. Way to kind of sit tight in the high grass like a lion and just wait for our opportunity here today. You know, we didn't budge on the first meal that came by. It wasn't our meal. We didn't have a good game plan around it, but the second time price came back, we had a good read, you know, we took advantage. We got our 80 pips, and that's all you need today. You know, don't try and overdo it here today. You got a big bank holiday coming in tomorrow, NFP on Friday. If you made money here, just enjoy it. Enjoy it. On the funded account, are you using fixed lots? Yeah, I'm using 4 lots. 4 lots, Gino. So very, very small lots. So it's going to take a lot for me to lose like 1% on that account. What I like about that is it's 200K, right? So like on that, I think I made like over $2,000 on that account today. That's a good amount of money for me, you know? But the thing is only 1% on the account, but I could use that 2K, right? Although it's not a lot of money for the account, I could still do a lot with, you know, $2,000 there, especially in a day. So yeah, so I actually do like risking very low there and keeping those. I think if it wasn't for Top One, y'all know I'd probably have like 20 lots running on every trade. So shout out to them guys, man. Some people may think that they're trying to like keep you trading small, but I like it. I like it because then I could trade with a lot of peace. So yeah, so I'm enjoying it. 4 lots fixed on that account, and then my live account I just basically 2 to 3%. So yeah. But yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, keep an eye out for the trade of the day in Discord later. I'll also make a video on this trade here today, later on this evening, and get that up for you guys. But I'm out of here, y'all. You guys have a great day, and just keep in mind, man, you're blessed, you're highly favored. You have this reckless love coming from the Father in heaven who just loves you. Christ died for you. He's got a plan for your life. You should be living in abundance. If you're struggling, I think the enemy's got a hold on you, and it's time to let go and let God, man. So enjoy the overwhelming, never-ending, reckless love of God. It's going to chase you down. It's going to fight till you're found. He's going to leave the 99 for you. So love y'all. God loves y'all. We'll see you guys, not tomorrow, but Friday, all right? Be blessed, my friends. Catch y'all later. Peace. Yeah, jam with it. Jam with it. Made a chat.
Like a sauce ring when I wanna shake with a word. Times and times every day in my heart. Got down, but I still be going in hard. Check distraction, stick on one side. Heaven is the goal, so I'm steady taking my shot. And it's I believe, hold the sense of life. That's when he does the magic of turning dark to light. He spread his love for all to step into his life. He reversed the logic of living first to die.
saved my soul from getting defeated. Saved my body from getting deleted. Most of the times I couldn't believe it. Holy Spirit, I receive it. I don't deserve this, man, I'm not worth it. But he still loved me when I deserve it. He still gave his life on the cross. His loving is different cause I couldn't earn it. See, this life I'm living is blessed. And you know that the wages of sinning is death. But he put my spirit to rest. Cause the blood of the lamb has paid all my debt. I am free, ain't no stress. I believe that I am the best. Got the Holy Spirit on my chest. So man, I won't let the enemy rest.